Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks so much for stopping by today. So I am excited to share with you guys. I've got my Scrapbooking for Less Flavor of the Month kit. This is the banana split level. So it includes some little extra goodies. You can get either the regular level or the banana split. So I've cut this open, but I haven't opened the box. So we're going to do that together and see what kind of goodness is in the box this month. These are so much fun. Oh, look at this sweet card. So let's open this up. And isn't that nice? And just a little thank you card. And they were a little bit slower this month because of some shipping delays. So yeah, so I really appreciate that. And I can use this card myself. I love this paper. I wonder if that's in the kit. I hope it is, but we'll see. I'm sure there's other good stuff too. So get a discount on website purchases while you're a subscriber from them. So that's great. And I'm gonna just pull these all out. So you get 4 separate little boxes or little kits in the overall kit, and then you also get some extra goodies when you do the banana split level. So these are my extras. I'm going to set those aside for now, and let's flip through the paper. So got this gorgeous array of, I love these bright colors, and you can't go wrong with black and white, right? So we've got those papers as part of the kit, and each of these kits has a stamp set, and oh my gosh, this is so cute, these little monkeys. Let's hang out 6 feet apart. Oh my goodness. You know what? Our kids are gonna look at these stamp sets later and go, what on earth is that about? At least I hope so. I hope that this goes away soon where we have to do the social distancing. But in the meantime, this is adorable. Whether you use the sentiment or not, you'll be able to use that for quite some time. And I'll go ahead and bring that up to the camera so you guys get a good close-up look. And then we've got this fun ribbon with the leaves on it, so that's great, and some enamel dots. You know, I love me some enamel dots. And then we got our one envelope, which I'm sorry, but that always cracks me up. Like, I'm gonna make way more than one card, come on, with this stuff. So I'm bringing envelopes from my stash. So I'm gonna just flip through this paper really quick so you can see what all we have. It's all in these browns and yellows. Those monkeys are those are so cute. The stars on the back, and oh, these are hearts. When you look at it upside down, it doesn't make as much sense. Some bananas and stripes, and these monkeys are even cuter. I like these ones. And yeah, so that's kit. I don't know if that's number 1, what they call number 1, but that's what I'm going to call it. That's the order I took it out. So let's go ahead and open this one up. And the other great thing is they have suggestions online, so you can go onto their website and you can get the suggestions for ideas of what to make with the flavor of the month kit. But you know me with my kits, I like to go outside the box and do something different. So I'll be doing that with this as well. So this is cute, this little frog. Relax and breathe, be full of life. Hope you're doing well and you are totally awesome. I like that bench, that's kind of neat. And then this is like a little pond piece there. So the cattails, I remember playing with those growing up. Let me know if you guys have cattails in the area of the country you're in. Those are so much fun. They're just such a cool plant. So that is going to bring up some good memories, and some more enamel dots, yay! And then some gorgeous little floral accents in the yellows, and my one envelope. Oh, look at these guys jumping around. Those are cute, and love the colors in the stripe and the florals, the polka dots. And there's my cattails again. What is that, like little hexagon, or yeah, little pattern in, those are cute, pond life. So that says, love me some polka dots too. Those are always fun. This is Argyle pattern and the little sailboats. So Froggy can sail away on a sailboat. And let's see what we've got in this one. It's like a fun little picnic themed style, maybe. Looking at these die cuts that come with this. And that's cute, the little ant that comes to the picnic whether we invite them or not. Missing you, life's no picnic without you, and life needs a few more polka dots and picnics. I'd agree with that. So, and then he's got into the fried chicken. These clear dots, those are fun, like little water droplets. And then look at all of these little cut of hearts, die cuts. These make it so easy to make quick cards because you can just put these as focal images and no stamping required. So talk about quick and simple. Strawberries and hearts, and you can't have a picnic without some fried chicken, right? At least not with me growing up. I remember going to the school picnic. Our school used to have like a carnival every year, and that was like the best time of year, and we'd always bring a big old bucket of fried chicken, and everybody would get together and bring sides and have a lot of fun. That was when I could do some of those crazy rides, like those swings that spin around. Can't do those anymore. Oh, let me know what your favorite picnic or summertime memories are. I'd love to hear. Ooh, some sequins. Those are gorge. All those bright colors and some more enamel dots. Oh, and I missed on that other one. Look, we had some on this one. Sorry, it was stuck. We've got some twine there too. And so all sorts of stuff there. And then this cute little slide, Smile the Whole World is Your Playground. Great for some kids' cards. And look at these bright patterns on them. And I love how there's like a pattern and then something a little bit more tone on tone on the different sides. So it makes it really great for mixing and matching pattern paper. I really love to use a lot of patterns and mix them on my cards. So these are perfect for that. And let's go ahead and look at what was included in the bandana split level. So, oh my gosh, this is perfect. You know what? I had actually ordered a similar stencil from another company and it was out of stock. So this works great. I didn't know that this was going to be coming in this kit. So now I've got my leaves and clouds and stuff stencil, and we've got quite a bit of variety of types of leaves. So that's going to be great. Can you imagine that with that picnic set and those ants, these big leaves there? That'll be just great with that. And I love how they've taken the time to just make everything coordinate, so it really makes it easy for you to do your cards yourself, and you know, just pick a few more pieces of cardstock to add in there because you know you're going to be making lots of cards. So okay, cool. So this is the tag die didn't make it to the production line in time, and so they replaced it with some little birds die and assorted tags, and that tag die is going to be coming in a future kit. So great. I love that they let us know what's going on, and I think these little birds are going to be great with those sets because hey, you're at the park, you're picnicking playground, those birds will fit right in. And then we've still got some fun tags to go with and some more sequins. These are really cool. Those sequins with the little like concentric circles there, those are different. I like that. And then I don't know, I think these are like little stickles. I'm gonna have to play with them because I'm not 100% sure. So I will check that out and let you know when I make some cards. But I'm thinking they must be some kind of like stickles. Let's get a little piece of scrap paper here and let's just see. So yeah, that looks like what those are to me. So fun. And Can make my own enamel dots there. Love it. And these are great colors to go with the kit. So that is this month's kit. So stay tuned. I will be showing you guys some of the cards that I put together with this kit. So now I'm off to create. Until I talk to you again, make sure you grab your paper, stamp, and ink and do something creative.